Your entry door is more than just a way to enter and exit your home. It's a focal point of your exterior, a key component of your home's security, and an important barrier against the elements. When it's time to repair or replace your entry door in Covington, choosing the right professionals can make all the difference. While it may be tempting to work with a large national chain or attempt a DIY installation, partnering with local experts offers advantages that directly benefit your home's performance, appearance, and long-term value. Understanding Covington's climate brings warm, humid conditions, regular rainfall, and seasonal temperature shifts. These factors impact how exterior doors perform over time. Local door specialists understand how humidity can affect materials and how heavy rain can challenge poorly sealed frames. They know which door materials, such as fiberglass or insulated steel, perform best in local conditions and resist warping, swelling, or moisture damage. This knowledge helps ensure your entry door is not only attractive but also built to handle Covington's environment. Personalized recommendations for your home. Every home in Covington has its own architectural style and structural details. Local experts take the time to evaluate your property, measure carefully, and recommend door styles that complement your home's design. Whether you live in a traditional home or a more contemporary build, a local professional can guide you through material options, glass insert choices, color and finish selections, hardware styles, energy efficient features. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, you receive recommendations tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Accurate measurements and proper installation. Entry door installation requires precision. Even small measurement errors can lead to drafts, alignment problems, or security issues. Local professionals are familiar with the construction styles commonly found in Covington homes. They know how to handle framing challenges, ensure the door is level and square, and properly seal the opening to prevent air leaks and water intrusion. Proper installation is critical to maintaining energy efficiency and preventing long-term damage. Faster service and ongoing support. Working with a local expert often means quicker response times and more accessible support. If you have questions, need adjustments, or require maintenance down the road, a local company is easier to reach and more likely to provide prompt service. This ongoing relationship offers peace of mind, knowing help is nearby if you need it. Knowledge of local building codes and permit requirements can vary by location. Local entry door specialists are familiar with Covington's regulations and ensure installations meet applicable standards. This is especially important if you're upgrading to impact-resistant or energy-efficient doors. Compliance protects your investment and helps avoid potential issues during inspections or future resale. Supporting the local community. Choosing a local expert also supports businesses within your community. Local companies often rely on their reputation, which encourages high-quality workmanship and customer service. When you hire a local door professional, you're working with people who understand the area, care about their reputation, and take pride in serving Covington homeowners. Long-term value and performance. An entry door is an investment in your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Working with local experts ensures that investment delivers lasting results. From selecting the right materials to ensuring airtight installation, their expertise helps maximize durability and performance. You benefit from lower energy costs, improved comfort, and enhanced home value. A smart choice for Covington homeowners. When it comes to entry doors, experience and local knowledge matter. By partnering with trusted professionals in Covington, you gain personalized service, expert installation, and reliable long-term support. Your front door is one of the first things people notice, and one of the most important elements protecting your home. Working with local experts ensures it performs beautifully for years to come.